it's going to go straight up.
Alright, maybe jump on the other side. Yep.
Yeah, keep going.
You good?
Yep.
There we have it.
That's how you take a tub off the Hilux.
Took everything off too, didn't we? Even the roof rack, the whole thing. There she is.
Tell you what, the rear end's sitting a bit high.
Yeah, she's good now. Look how high that is.
Good little tip for all the viewers out there. Go down and buy one of those trailer lights. Hook it straight into your trailer plug, and then we'll just cable tie that directly
Yeah, just
to the
on the back there.
chassis.
Perfect.
And that way it's legal to cruise down the highway, because you'll have your indicators, your brake lights, you're all set to go.
So what would take us maybe an hour to take this out?
The hardest thing is
All the light, all the cable.
disconnecting all the cables, because you have a lot of stuff comes into the rear with your dual battery setups and whatnot. So yeah, it's determining what wires to cut off, make sure that they're hooked onto the chassis, not actually onto the tub. And then when you're lifting it up, you really want to make sure to have a few guys around, just so that it's not caught up on anything. Like we had one loom that hooked up that we missed, because it's very hard to see under there. And also direct your fuel intake out of the canopy. You don't want to hook onto this and ripping that out. That's your release for your door and your fuel door, one that Des broke earlier.
Oh, very funny.
But it'd be all systems go. Wait till we get the other canopy on. There's a 12-volt system in there. It's going to be Mickey Mouse. Yeah.
All right.
I'll even let you use it, Des.
Yeah, really?
Yeah.
No, I don't want to be playing around with Miss Daisy.
Oh,
She's
mate,
all precious.
I'm sure when you
She's
want
all
to meet
precious.
Kai,
And I think the main thing, while we got this off, let's just write Miss Daisy down here.
Yeah, oh, that would be ripper.
Yes.
Let's scratch it into it, yeah?
You know it's
Rust
there.
it up.
let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Let's rust it up.
Let's not get
Eh?
ahead of ourselves.
Why not, man?
She doesn't need any Miss Daisy signage. What's old Des up to?
That man, wasn't looking weird. What's dirt?
Well, it's good that you can fix it.
Yeah, well, feels like I'm constantly fixing your car.
Well, I'm constantly pulling you out of bog holes. That's why I've got dirt in there.
Because I go in first.
Okay. No need to be chirpy.
Chirpy!
See, once again, you put plenty of dust on your back just so you look like you've done something. Have a look at the weapon. As you can see, Crackers is relatively clean, because he likes to supervise, make sure these boys are on their toes. Isn't that right, Desi?
In other words, doesn't do jack shit, doesn't know it's good.
Look at that. She's sitting nice. On our next episode, Crackers gives Des a real hiding at lawn bowls.
Alright, let's go.